Into the rest of today, partly cloudy, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures reaching the mid-upper 80s. Excuse me. Sorry. Hopefully these hiccups go away in just a few minutes. Going into the weekend, it'll warm up just a couple of degrees.
Stretch weather. Producers, please make her go 3 minutes. Please.
I can't get it.
Please stretch weather. Traffic's not ready. News isn't ready. Stretch weather.
Please.
All right, so they say you need to be scared to get rid of hiccups. Neil's pretty scary. That should do it for you.
Here, let me show you my bank account. That'll clear you right up.